let's learn how to use the Google Placeholder in checkout fields. Google Placeholder Field option lets you to add the custom address selection on checkout fields. This field allows the user to add their address on checkout form, as per the requirement of the order. Within the Checkout Fields editor, use the interface to drag and drop the Google Placeholder fields into your preferred order. Add Conditional Logic option to show the field only when the city or town field contains the required value. Click on Save Changes button to save the changes you have made. Navigate to the front-end checkout page to view the working of the configuration by entering the required value to the city or town field. The field will be displayed when the same value entered in the conditional logic is being entered on the field by the user. Now you have learned how to use Google Placeholder Field. Thank you and have a nice day.